Hello viewer, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the important MCQs about cyanobacteria. Let's start it. And first question is: the cyanobacteria are eukaryotic, prokaryotic, both and B or none of these? And answer is B, prokaryotic. The cyanobacteria are prokaryotic. B is correct option. And next question is: the storage products in cyanobacteria are mannitol, cyanophycin starch and proteins, agar-agar, or none of these. And answer is B, cyanophycin starch and protein. B is correct option. Storage products in cyanobacteria, cyanophycin starch and protein. B is correct option. And next question is: flagellation is not found in chlorophyce, charophyce, phaeophyce, or mixophyce. And answer is D, mixophyce. Flagellation is not found in mixophyce. D is correct option. And next question is: heterocysts are not found in Oscillatoria, Nostric, Rivolaria, or Anabina. And answer is A, Oscillatoria. Heterocysts are not found in Oscillatoria. A is correct option. And next question is: tissues of Anthoceras contain Nostric, Cylindrospermum, Oscillatoria, or Limbia. And answer is A, Nostric. Tissues of Anthoceras contain Nostric. A is correct option. And next question is: roots of cycas contain Nostric, Anabina, Rivolaria, or Limbia. And answer is B, Anabina. Roots of cycas contain Anabina. B is correct option. And next question is: fragments of blue-green algae capable to grow into new plants are called aplanospores, trichocysts, Harmogonia, or echinids. And answer is C, Harmogonia. Fragments of blue-green algae capable to grow into new plants are Harmogonia. C is correct option. And next question is: organisms which fix atmospheric nitrogen, mosses, bacteriophages, liverworts, or blue-green algae. And answer is D, blue-green algae. Organisms which fix atmospheric nitrogen are blue-green algae. D is correct option. And next question is: the reserve food material in cyanobacteria is glucoside, Floridian starch, glycogen, or starch. And answer is C, glycogen. Reserve food material in cyanobacteria is glycogen. C is correct option. And next question is: the most ancient life form among the following are green algae, red algae, blue green algae, or brown algae. And answer is C, blue green algae. The most ancient life form among the following are blue green algae. C is correct option. And next question is: structure responsible for nitrogen fixation, echinids, heterocysts, vegetative cells, or all of these. And answer is B, heterocyst. Structure responsible for nitrogen fixation, heterocyst. B is correct option. And next question is: single cell protein is obtained from Agaricus, Morcilla, Spirulina, or Microcystis. And answer is C, Spirulina. Single cell protein is obtained from Spirulina. C is correct option. And next question is: dominant pigment found in cyanobacteria is phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, chlorophyll, or xanthophyll. And answer is A, phycocyanin. Dominant pigment in cyanobacteria, phycocyanin. A is correct option. And next question: atmospheric nitrogen fixing form is Microcystis, Chlorella, Spirulina, or Alocera. And answer is D, Alocera. Atmospheric nitrogen fixing form is Alocera. D is correct option. And next question: Water blooms in land waters are commonly formed due to red algae, blue-green algae, green algae, or all of these. And answer is B, blue-green algae. Water blooms in land waters are formed due to blue-green algae. B is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.